Happy morning, students. Today we are going to topic about atoms and molecules. Okay, already this sentence we have to learn previous classes. Okay, atoms and molecules. Okay, you have learned in your lower classes that matter is around us everywhere. Matter is made up of atoms. Okay, matter is made up of atoms. So first proposed by philosophers. So more philosophers means of scientist. First scientific theory of atoms was proposed by John Dalton. Few of the postulates of Dalton theory about an atoms were found incorrect by the later on study made up of J.J. Thomson and Rutherford, Niels Bohr. So all scientists stretch that atoms. Okay, the main postulates of modern atomic theory of proposed by John Dalton. Okay, first of all, that atoms already we have to matters three status of matters: solid, liquid, and gases. So three status of matters we have to learn. Okay, then only atoms and molecules. So atoms. Why and molecules, which of molecules? Okay, so more including of atoms and molecules. And atoms in so students can see the pictures. So scientists, philosophers. Okay, first pictures Niels Bohr, second one Rutherford, and fourth that one J.J. Thomson, and fourth one John Dalton. So atoms theory of the importance of Dalton theory. Okay, second that one an atom is no longer indivisible after the discovery of the electron, proton, and neutrons. So including of atoms, one atoms molecules, including of proton, electron, and neutrons. So atom, the same elements may be have different atomic mass, same elements and different atomic mass. Discovery of isotopes. So Cl17 atomic mass 17 and 35, Cl17 and 37. So atomic mass of isotopes. Atoms, different elements may have some same atomic mass. Discovery of isotopes. Arsenic 14s and 18s, atomic mass of 18s. Calcium atomic number 20 and atomic mass of 40s. So எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஆஃப் கீழே கொடுத்துருக்கு இல்லையா, கார்பன், கால்சியம், குளோரின் கொடுத்துருக்கு இல்லையா. அதில் குளோரினில் சைடில் 17 கீழே இருக்கும், மேலே 35 இருக்கும். ஸோ அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் வந்து 35 அண்டு கீழே 17க்கு. ஸோ அட்டாமிக் நம்பர். ஓகே, ஸோ அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் அண்ட் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ். ஸோ இன்க்ளூடிங் 2. Okay, atoms of one elements can be transmuted into atoms of other elements. In other words, of atoms longer indissociate. Examples of discovery of artificial transmutation. Then only atoms may not always combine in simple whole of number of ratio. Examples of glucose formula C6H12 and O6. Okay, so CHO, carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, that is ratio 6:12:6. Okay, so ratio. So sucrose of C12H22O11. So sucrose ratio 12:22:11. Atom is the smallest particles that takes part in a chemical reaction. Okay, atom, that is smallest particles that is reaction of chemical reaction. The mass of atoms can be converted into energy is equal to mc2. okay, Mc2 mass atoms of converted into energy, okay. Next one, atoms and atomic mass. Atom and atomic mass. Proton and electron have considerable mass, but electron don't have such considerable mass, okay. Proton and neutrons have considerable mass, but electron don't have such a considerable mass. As you know, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter, okay. Anything that has mass and occupies space called that is called as atoms. The sum of number of protons and neutrons and atoms is called, it is mass number, okay. Mass number, sum of the number of protons and neutrons, atom is called as mass number, okay. The mass of an atom is measured in atomic mass unit, AMU. AMU full form atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit. Some examples of carbon atoms, okay. இதில் carbon atoms இருக்குது, நல்லா கவனிச்சுக்கோங்க. ஸோ இதில் proton, electron, neutrons, so three atoms including that carbon atoms, okay. Center point protons, neutron எங்கே இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா அந்த சென்டரில் ப்ளூ கலரும் பிங்க் ரெட் கலர்லேயும் ஆட்டம்ஸ் பிணைந்து இருக்குது இல்லையா, இதுதான் என்ன அப்படின்னா ப்ரோட்டானும் நியூட்ரானும். ஸோ இதில் ப்ரோட்டான்ஸ் எத்தனை இருக்குது அப்படின்னா 6, நியூட்ரான்ஸ் எத்தனை இருக்குது 6. ஸோ 6 + 6 = 12, ஓகே. ப்ரோட்டான், நியூட்ரான். ஸோ வெளியில் எல்லாம் சுற்றி வருது இல்லையா, 2 4 எலக்ட்ரான்லாம் சுற்றி வருதுல்ல, இதெல்லாம் என்ன அப்படின்னா எலக்ட்ரான், ஓகே. எலக்ட்ரான் வந்து ப்ரோட்டான் நியூட்ரானை என்ன செஞ்சு சுற்றிக்கிட்டே இருக்கும், அது ரவுண்ட் அப் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கும். ஸோ ப்ரோட்டானும் நியூட்ரானும் சென்டரில் இருக்கும், அணுவின் ஆட்டம்ஸினுடைய சென்டர் பாயிண்டில் இருக்கும், ஓகே. 6 + 6 = 12. Atomic mass 12, okay. Can you understand, students? Then only relative atomic mass, okay. Relative atomic mass is short form RAM. Relative atomic mass short form RAM. Relative atomic mass of an element is the ratio between the average mass of the it is isotopes to 1/12th part of the mass of a carbon 12 atoms. It is denoted as or it is otherwise called as standard atomic weight, okay. Standard atomic weight. The relative atomic mass is equal to average mass of an atom, average mass of the isotopes of the elements by 1/12th the mass of the carbon 12 atoms. So carbons already 12 atoms lining, okay. Then carbon atoms is 12. Some examples of atoms, elements and symbols, okay. Hydrogen symbol H, so atomic number 1. Carbon C, atomic number 12. Nitrogen N, atomic number 14. Oxygen O, atomic number 16. Sodium Na, atomic number 23. Magnesium Mg, atomic number 24. Sulfur S, atomic number 32, okay. So relative atomic mass is only a ratio, so it is has no unit. If the atomic mass of an element is expressed in grams, it is called as gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass of hydrogen 1 g, gram atomic mass of carbon 12 g, 12 gram, okay. Gram atomic mass of nitrogen 14 gram, gram atomic mass of the oxygen 16 gram. Next one, average atomic mass, okay. So average atomic mass, the average atomic mass of an element is the weighted average of the masses of it is naturally occurring isotopes. Examples மேம் உங்களுக்கு உங்கள் புக்கில் இருக்குது, கொஞ்சம் டீட்டெயிலாக நான் உங்களுக்கு கூகுள் மீட்டப்பும் சொல்லி கொடுக்குறேன், ஓகேவா. ஸோ ஆவரேஜ் அட்டாமிக் மாஸ் வந்து நான் டீட்டெயிலாக புக்கு சொல்லி கொடுங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், so hydrogen atomic number, atomic mass, hydrogen atomic mass 1.008, helium 4.003 and lithium 6.941. So atomic mass. Okay, then one, molecule and molecular mass. A molecule is a combination of two or more atoms held together by the strong chemical force of attraction. Example of chemical bond. Examples of chemical bond: oxygen, O2. So chemical bond shape, it is a see the pictures students. Next one, ozone O3. So O3 chemical bond combination O3. Okay, so ozone contains 3 oxygen atoms and hence it is called as homotriatomic molecule. Its molecule contains more than 3 atoms, then it is called polyatomic molecules. Okay, hydrogen chloride HCl, water H2O. Okay students, a molecule combinations, two or more atoms held together by strong chemical force attraction of chemical bonds. So that is called as molecule and molecular mass. Molecule classify, given an examples. Classification of molecules. Chemical bonds may be classified according to several different criteria. One common method is based of the specific elements present. For examples of oxide contains one or more oxygen atoms. Hydrates contains one or more hydrogen atoms. Halides contains one or more halogens. So classification of molecules. Relative formulas of mass. Potassium hydroxide formula AOH. So relative formulas of mass: 39 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 56. Potassium, magnesium sulfate and lead nitrate and hydride ion surface crystals. Okay, this formula we have to learn. And next one, difference between atoms and molecules. Atom and molecules. Atom is the smallest particles and molecules is smallest particles. Elements are compounds. Okay, smallest particles of element atom and molecules of compounds. Atom does not exist in free state except in noble gases. Molecule exists in free state. Okay, already elements we have to learn previous classes. Elements and compounds we have to learn. Okay, expect some of noble gases. Other atoms are highly reactivity. Molecules are less reactivity. Atom does not have chemical bond. Atoms in a molecule are held by chemical bond. So some differentiate of atoms and molecules. Mole concept. A mole concept is defined as the quantity of the given substance that contains the same number of elementary entities, molecules, formula units, atoms, ions, etc. As number of atoms, exactly 12 grams of carbons 12. Okay, 12 grams of carbons 12. Examples of 12 grams of carbons and weighted by 12 grams. So so this is called as mole concept. The pair 2 atoms and the diazone 12 atoms. Okay, the amount of substance that contains as many elementary entities. Examples of Avogadro numbers. Avogadro numbers 6.023 into 10 power of 23. Number the mole concept, the study of the collection of particles by using of mole counting units in order to express the mass of volume of such as unit particles in a bulk of matter is known as mole concept. Okay, number of molecules, number of moles of atoms, number of moles of gases, number of moles of ions. what is moles atoms? 1 mole of element contains 6.023 into 10 power of 23 equal gram atomic mass. 1 mole of oxygen atoms contains 6.023 into 10 power of 23 atoms of oxygen, and it is gram atomic mass is 16 grams. Mole molecules, molar volumes. Okay, mole molecules, 1 mole of matter contains 6.2023 into 10 power of 23 molecules, equal it is gram molecular mass. Molar volume, any gases occupies 22.4 liter or 22,400 milliliter at STP. This volume called as molar volume. So differentiate mode of mass by atomic mass, mass by molecular mass, number of atoms 6.023 into 10 power of 3, number of molecules 6.023 into 10 power of 3. Okay, then only percent composition. The percentage composition of given compounds is defined as the ratio of the amount of each element to the total amount of individual element present in the compound multiplied by 100. Thus it helps us chemical analysis of given the compounds, that is percentage of compounds. So this calculation of Google Meet I teach the topic. Okay, then only Avogadro hypothesis. The balloon all have the same volume. This means they all contain the same number of molecules. This is called the Avogadro hypothesis. Okay, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, so all gases same, and all volumes same, all molecules are same. That is Avogadro hypothesis. The examples of hydrochloric acid, H plus Cl2 gives reaction to HCl. So same volume, same molecules. Okay, one volume, two volumes. One volumes plus one volumes gives two volumes. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2 HCl. So this reaction same. So same volume and same gases and same molecules. Okay, then only applications of Avogadro law. Avogadro law used in everyday life. Examples of: as you blow up the basketball, you are forcing more gases molecules into it. The more molecules, that greater the volume. The basketball inflates. Examples of: a flat tire takes up less space than an inflated fire because it is contains less air. This is usings of Avogadro laws. Okay, then only relations between the vapors of density and relative molecular mass. Some relation between of vapor density mass of a given volume of gases of vapor by mass of the same volume of hydrogen. This vapor of density. Okay, VD, vapor of density, weight of one molecule of gases by weight of one molecule of hydrogen. Weights of one molecules of gases into 2 into weights of atom of hydrogen. Vapor density is equal to molecular weighted by 2. Molecular weighted is equal to 2 into vapor density. This is lessons is enough, ma'am. Some solved problems, this including of books. So I tell the problems of Google Meet. Okay, this lesson we have all students refer that books. Okay, atoms and molecules lesson, refer that book. So atoms and molecules very important lessons. Okay students, thank you to all.